What if I told you that just over an hour away from the amazing city of Taipei is the gorgeous city of Jiufen? The city that has inspired the world's most famous anime movie, Spirited Away. In this video, we're going to show you the easiest ways to get to Jiufen and what to do when you're in this fairy tale of a town.
If you're new here, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Nigel.
And we're Our Roaming Empire.
Keep watching, keep chasing that edge. Please like and subscribe for more fun travel content. Oh no, what is this?
I like it. Liar!
Today, we are taking a day trip. Why not see something outside of Taipei while we have the chance? So we're heading to Jiufen.
This is a really popular day trip. You can get there from downtown Taipei in about an hour and a half by bus.
You're going to take the 965 bus from Ximen Station, and you can pay with your Easy Card.
Come along with us for the ride. This should be a really cool little mountain escape town from Taipei.
And if you're kind of a nerd like I am, you will know these streets were actually the inspiration for maybe the greatest anime movie of all time, Spirited Away.
It is rumored. We'll find out.
I bet you it is.
Super easy bus ride. It was actually only about an hour, not really an hour and a half. I guess they say hour and a half in case traffic, but we didn't catch much.
It was also super beautiful, so put down your phones and look out the window.
The bus ride is about 90 new Taiwanese dollar, and we didn't really have enough to make the round trip on our card. We thought it was going to be a little bit cheaper, but luckily there's 7-Elevens and Family Marts all throughout the city. When you get off next to the bus stop, you can top up your card.
You have to do it in cash.
Easy peasy. The 965 bus will drop you off just outside the main tourist attraction in Jiufen, the Old Street Market. This area does get pretty packed as the day goes on, so try to get there early and enjoy it first thing.
Right at the beginning. Ashley truly hates stinky tofu.
I actually thought that I would love it, and I do not.
She do not.
I do not.
She do not.
Too much. It's too much. After being in Vietnam for about 2 months with less than good air quality, I love the greenery.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Can breathe again.
It's refreshing. Look at that.
Ashley doesn't know what that is, but I do.
He's right. I don't know what that is. Help me.
Help me.
Envoy.
That's some big snails there, bud.
Ashley told me after we ordered this that it's usually not great for people with sensitive stomachs, but I don't have a sensitive stomach. That is really good.
Unlike Nigel, I do have a sensitive stomach, so I will not be partaking.
Look at it wig.
We stopped at a little cafe and it had different types of mochi. This is an Oreo mochi. Oh, it's soft.
Oh wow.
This is so good. It's like full-on Oreos crushed up inside. Wow. You'd like this, actually.
Feed me, girl.
It's like an Oreo ice cream sandwich wrapped in mochi. Oh,
Yes. Absolutely one of the most famous things you got to get here. It's peanut brittle crushed over ice cream with cilantro or coriander if you're in Asia. And it's supposed to be like a flavor explosion. So. That's interesting.
it's a choice.
I love it, but I also wouldn't put it together. Would never think to do it, but it's good. Gotta try this. It's only 50 ND too. Like that's nuts.
His reaction was not selling me on this. It was the right reaction. It's delicious. But the cilantro is very pronounced, but it kind of mixes well with the peanut brittle. I like it. It's refreshing.
Throughout the market, there's many alleyways that can take you underneath the market so you can see the crazy, beautiful views from this area.
We're in the jungle, y'all.
And before you leave the Old Town Market area, make sure you check out the A-Mei Teahouse, as it is the main inspiration for the anime Spirited Away. All right, we are heading back on the bus. You take the same bus back, the 965, and it can take you all the way back to downtown Taipei.
This was a really fun day trip, and it doesn't take very long. So really, you can couple this trip with a night market same night.
Along with this, a lot of people tend to come to a waterfall, and there also is a nice hike here. We just don't have time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Nigel.
And I'm Ashley.
And we're our roaming empire.
Keep watching.
Keep chasing that itch. Greenery.
Green. Please like and subscribe for more fun travel content. So really, you can couple this with a night market that night. Hair flew in my mouth.
I've realized that I only drink occasionally, but the occasion comes very often. So beer helps with the crowds.
How?
I don't know, it chills me out. I'm like, hey, I'm having a beer. I'm walking around having a beer instead of like, I'm in a crowd.
Oh, there's too much.
I'm like having a beer. In a crowd. I'm having a beer in a crowd.